Apparently the spiritual woman, the medicine woman, should have gone alchemist. Apparently it pays better. And electric lights aren't just good for your body, for bringing life into this world. Or, if you fancy, keep your man parts growing big. It can also grow fucking silver. I just watched a whole video on how to make your own silver. I'm like, clearly, I'm in the wrong business. I would really fancy a farm right now. I'll grow as much silver as you can grow. And I'll harvest that shit. I'll put it on the stove and I'll cook it up. Just give me some land. Be like a barter system. And he just grew like